Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling a common problem that many of us may face when trying to connect to an SFTP server from home. The issue lies in the fact that the server's response is not reaching our computer, leading to a frustrating experience. Using Wireshark, we can see the connection attempt leaving our device, but no response coming back. Quite the conundrum, isn't it? Now, let's dive into the solution to this pesky problem. Firstly, double-checking our firewall rules is crucial. Additionally, upgrading to a newer firmware might just do the trick. It's essential to consider that the updated firmware could have unintentionally introduced a bug or change causing the issue. Always keep an eye out for those firmware updates. Solution aside, let's understand how SFTP responses arriving on a different port in the request is entirely normal. In fact, this is how all TCP connections operate, with ports being randomly assigned on the client side. The router, with its SNAT masquerading or stateful firewall filtering, keeps track of these connections, ensuring the inbound responses reach the correct destination. It's like a well-orchestrated dance between your devices and the router. To sum it all up, troubleshooting networking issues can sometimes feel like solving a jigsaw puzzle piece by piece. By checking firewall rules, considering firmware upgrades, and understanding how TCP connections work, we're on the right track to conquering connectivity woes. Remember, the router is there to help navigate the traffic flow and ensure a seamless connection experience. Thanks for tuning in today, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay connected and keep exploring the digital world.